Multiply 15 by 23 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 4. The first partial product is 45. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. The second partial product is 300. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the hundreds column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 345. So 15 times 23 is 345.